Going to install QGIS. So before you start installation, you have to check for your system's specifications by right clicking on the desktop. Click on display settings, and here in about tab check what is what is your operating system specification. So it is 64-bit or 32-bit. Most of you will have 64-bit operating system, but if in case any one of you have 32-bit operating system, then you have to download software for 32-bit. Now to find out that installation file, we are going to search for QGIS download, and you will get this type of link. Here it will show you direct option for download for Windows, and this is the file for Windows. Now as it is written here, since this version 3.20 version of QGIS, they have stopped other executable files for Windows, right? So it is only available for 64-bit Windows operating system. So if you are downloading this and installing using this file, then it is for 64-bit. So those who have 32-bit operating system will not download this. They can find a relevant software by clicking on all releases and click here, because previous releases of QGIS are available here. So if you click here, it will show you all list of QGIS versions, and you may select the appropriate version from here. I'm going to download this file which is available because I have 64-bit operating system. So when you click here, the download will start. Here it is showing that the downloading is started, one download in progress. So you will have to wait because the size is large, it is in GB. Those who are not able to download the software can ask for this downloadable file, which you can install later on from your friend, or you can get it from anywhere. It is not required for you to download this always. Okay, so if it is readily available somewhere, you can just have it and install the software. So it is showing that this is in progress. It is showing the size 1.1 GB. It will take some time. Now my downloading is done. This is my file which I have downloaded. Now if you want to start installation, then you have to click here on open, and then it will prepare installation files. So then you have to click on next. It is showing this wizard which says that we are going to install QGIS 3.32.1 version. So click on next. You have to accept terms in the license agreement. So this is the agreement and we are accepting this. Click next. This is where your installation will be done. So the QGIS version 3.32.1 will be installed in this folder. C program files, QGIS and its version. If you want to change the path, you can change it from here, but generally we keep all the installed software in the C drive, so I am not going to change mine. As you can see, these two checkboxes are checked, so it will create shortcut on the desktop as well as it will create a shortcut in the start menu. Click on next. It's displaying this message that click install to begin the installation. So we are going to click here on install. Now don't do anything, you have to wait. It is asking that do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, so you have to click yes. You'll have to wait, it will take some time. After some time, the installation will be done and then it will display this type of message: completed the QGIS setup wizard. Click the finish button to exit. So now we are clicking here on finish. So we are done with the installation, and now you can start working in QGIS. So as you can see, this type of folder is created on my desktop, and to start with QGIS, we'll click on QGIS desktop. Double click. This is called a splash screen of the QGIS, which shows details about QGIS version and all. And this is our dashboard where we can create maps. So you can start working in QGIS by double clicking on new empty project. Who have operating system other than Windows can scroll down here and you will find options for different kind of OS like Mac OS, Linux. Okay, so if you have a Mac OS, you can click here and you may download the software for Mac OS. Same way Linux users can download for Linux. Other steps will remain the same, but just you have to download the installable file from the space for the specific operating system.